abnormal beat ante premature ventricular complex. This is called PVC in short. And this can arise from any part of the ventricle. There are two ventricles in the heart, right and the left ventricle. There are many reasons. It could be due to some inborn genetic defects. It could be due to a problem with the impulse formation, or it could be due to a problem with the impulse generation or conduction. Now, when it is a problem with impulse formation, there are two types. It can automatically come without any reason, where we call it is due to automaticity. And the next type is called triggered activity. Triggered activity, and there are many secondary causes like excessive coffee, excessive tea, and many other stimulants like excessive cafe or Coca-Cola or smoking, excessive alcohol, and many other reasons. And the other problem is impulse conduction. There it could be due to structural heart disease. There can be some congenital abnormality for which a surgery is done, around which the current can go around and cause ventricular tachycardia, or from the scar itself there can be abnormal beats, or it can be in cases of heart attacks where it can happen like this. The problem with this is if it is left untreated, especially when the percentage of heartbeats, if it is abnormal, if it is more than 15-20%, the heart can become weak. And without treatment, apart from the heart becoming weak, there can be instances where the heart can suddenly go into a condition called cardiac fibrillation or ventricular fibrillation, and the patient can face a very dangerous situation, something called sudden cardiac death. So to avoid all this, it is better for us to treat the patients with radiofrequency ablation, and these days it is more and more being accepted as the first choice. In the country, the success rate is about 90%. So that is the reason we are promoting ablation ahead of drugs in many situations, especially in patients who are young, in whom we should not give drugs which are toxic for a long time, and in whom we feel the success rate is better. Especially in these people, when we have a modality where we can give a success rate of above 90%, we should go for it.